In crypto, speed matters, but trust matters more. At Caleb & Brown, you're never on your own. We connect you with your own personal broker and a 24/7 team, ready to help you buy, sell, or swap over 250 digital assets with one flat, transparent fee. No spreads, no slippage, no hidden costs. Get the best market prices through deep, aggregated liquidity executed by our professional trading desk. Your funds are secured with institutional-grade cold storage for total peace of mind. Track every move in real time with our intuitive client portal, anywhere, anytime. Whether you're trading as an individual, trust, or business, we give you speed, security, and peace of mind. Thousands of clients in over 100 countries already trust Caleb & Brown. Visit calebandbrown.com and start your personalized crypto journey today.
Disclaimer, not financial advice. We're not liable for any personal financial decisions. This segment was created for entertainment purposes only. So thank you for tuning in today. What up, everybody? Welcome into another episode of Blockchain Brew Show. I am your host today. I don't know if Trent will come on. He may or may not. If he does, give him a shout out. But if not, there we go. If not, guys, you get stuck with me. So if you like what you see here, please smash that golden like button. And if you don't like what you see here, smash it anyways. Because what the heck, guys? I'm doing it every day, no matter what. We have the subscribe bell right here. You ring-a-ding-ding. You ring-a-ding-ding. And with that subscribe bell, you can find us over here on YouTube. And over here on Kick and Rumble, we just go all natural. It's such a beautiful company over there. They do wonderful things. Wonderful, wonderful things. But, yeah. Let's get after it, guys. So, I got my crystal mug. It happens to be my double middle finger Trump mug. So, you know, it's really good. It's a really good beer glass. Fits, I have a 16-ouncer right here. Fits dang near perfectly inside the glass. We have my pizza, the most hydrated crypto brew out there. It is from the Pizza Pals, Fort George. Hey, the other one was Fort George too. I was drinking the other day. Guess it is Fort George. Let's get an ASMR pop in here. ASMR pop. Woo! There we go, guys. There we go. I got still got the little doodad hanging up there. We gotta get a nice supporter. There we go, guys. Let's get after it. Nice, clear, foggy. I like it, man. This is a good beer. It's one of my favorites. It's kind of expensive, but it's not bad. If you enjoy good brew, this is definitely one you have to try. You can see the little foam on the top. I did a terrible pour. It's literally like 4 fingers. Yeah, try to keep my fingers straight. They all close enough. You guys can get the picture. I'm gonna let that fizz out, and I'm gonna add more to it. Change segments. Hello, Mr. D, not you. Hello, Violmeta. Hello, Base Philosophy Mom. My solid characters are already popping in the chat. Get it after it, man. Yeah, I don't think we have any news to really cover today. We'll probably just basically go over charts and then have fun, trade. Maybe we could do some live trades on there today. I tried to do a scalp short on Optimism last night, and it didn't play out. Maybe it would have played on a longer time frame. I took a little bit of a loss, but not enough to reset the gains I made the day before. So hey, that's how it is, you know. Cut the limb off while you can. Well, let's throw us up on the screen. Let's take a look at bubbles. Bubbles, guys. We have Polygon up today. This is my favorite one, guys, because guess what? We called this bad boy at 14 cents. We said it was going to go. Let's take a look at it. Take a look what I call it. It said, oh, I just got to it. I'm so excited about this one. We nailed this one. Just absolutely shredded it. It's layer 2s. We're at the top. little higher. There we go. Pull. Man, look at that, guys. I called it this line. We drew this line Wednesday night, I think, or Thursday night. I said, this is where I said I'm going to take profits, dude. We freaking nailed that SOB. You see that yellow line going across? That is us. We called that out, and we freaking nailed it on the 1 hour. Hit it faster than I even expected. Now, is it done? I don't know. The money flow is still thick. It could keep going. It could. But that's a pretty strong level right there. Why is it a strong level? Well, because when we picked that level, we picked it as the next area of resistance and support. So we could keep going up to 20-ish range. You can maybe go 22. But I think that's a strong level. And look at the 200 start reversing. Look at the money flow on the 4 hour. It's so darn thick. It could keep moving. It very well. The money flow on the 12 hour is still going. Another reason why we picked that level of support is because we were breaking above the 200, and we wanted to see if we could wick above the 200 and snag a good take profit. Dude, we freaking cut that bad boy down, didn't we? Oh man, that was such a juicy trade for anybody who decided to take it, and it looks like it could keep going. Now, I would totally not want to front run anymore. The time zones, like on the dailies, do indicate that there is more to come from Polygon. The strength it gets first curvature. Is against first curvature. No, we could reject, come back down. It's kind of what we were hypothesizing right here. Come up, get our money, come back down, and then we keep going up and up and up and up and up. But we don't know what we don't know. What the future holds. But we do know the VWAP is coming up, and Stokes RSI, even though they're ridiculously shooting up, they're still low and say that we could get more. Well, money flow is coming in on the red wave. It doesn't look quite done yet. The 2 days looks like it could keep going. The 2 days eyeballing a possible 25-cent level. So what's the next area of take profit? Maybe let's see. Oh my goodness, I flipped it upside down. Threw myself for a loop on that one. Whoops, hit the wrong button. So this is 20. Let's drag it down a little bit. Let's drag it down to say 23.82. You guys want to say 23.82? I feel like that's still a little high. We're gonna drag it down to 23 cents. All right, that's pretty good. XRP back below $2. Told you all, Giga. You didn't say anything, man. Actually, will hit 70 cents. Good. Let's let it hit 70 cents. I would love to buy it at 70 cents. Boom, baby. Got this can completely empty right here. Look at that, guys. Empty can and a full, nice mug of beer. That's how we do it, man. You know, maybe we should, Pepe, maybe you're right. Maybe we should eyeball XRP and see if it will go lower. See if we could snipe a price target short on there. I'm not against that. Let it go down. Let it go down. I'll be accumulate more. Altcoins will be no more. I definitely don't agree with that 100%. I mean, if that was true, why is Ethereum still number 2? And why is Bitcoin number 1? Why is Cardano still in the top 10? Why is XRP still in the top 10? What new coin? What's the newest coin in the top 10? Let's check it out, guys. We're gonna head over the top 10. So we got Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, BNB, Solana, Tron, Doge, Cardano. All those coins I remember being in the top 10, 100%. Now, if there's a new coin that wants to take its place, let it, man. Bitcoin Cash, I wouldn't even say is a new coin. Chainlink, I wouldn't say a new coin. Monero's been around for a long time too. Leo Token's been around for a long time. Stellar Lumen's been around for a long time. Sweet's been around. Actually, Sweet's probably one of the newest ones. I take it back. Sweet's probably pretty new. The fact that's where it's at today is pretty impressive. Litecoin, definitely an oldie, but it's still holding the top 20. I agree with Pepe. It should go below. Zcash is definitely probably going to go lower with all that negative news. Avalanche still kicking it too strong. Hyperliquid, that's a new coin, and it has an unrealistically big market cap, suspiciously big, and how fast it came out in the market. SHIB's not too old. Hedera is definitely like a last market coin. Pepe says he's always right. Well, where's Pepe at? Where's Pepe at? Pepe's at top 37, so it has a little bit of while to go. I mean, Meme Core just came out, and it's still above Pepe. I don't even know what Rain is. It's a top 34 project, so a lot of people like Rain. I'm not a big Mantle guy. I don't like Polkadot. I hope Polkadot goes down. USD1 is a stable coin. It's moving its way up. Uniswap, PayPal. Freaking PayPal stablecoins got you beat, Pepe. Who uses PayPal stablecoin? I mean, let's be realistic here. That's probably just mainly the PayPal holders, right? I think Toncoin's going to have a big mover too. Meme Core is ranked above Pepe. It is right there. Look, Meme Core, Pepe. It has slightly bigger market cap. 3.1 to 2.5. It's got you beat by $500 million. No, it's a lot on CMC. The polling data from CMC. That's why CMC is the #1 spot. Well, we could go in CMC too. You're probably right, CMC. They're just lagging behind because it's the weekend. And by the way, I'm not pro Meme Core. I think Pepe should be above Meme Core. That's not it. That's Pump 1. There it is. I don't know why I didn't look at the #1. Well, that's really interesting. It's that far off a market cap, 2.68 billion. They're like $500 million off. Holy cow. I'm kind of curious at CoinGecko, what CoinGecko says too. CoinGecko. That's pretty wild that's that far off. I never use CoinGecko, just so you know. Top trending, Paul Matic. Dude, we called that son of a gun a long time ago. I spelled it wrong. I do that every time. It should be core meme, not meme core. No, this is saying market cap. So this is right. So they're pulling the data from Coin market cap. Oh, it's CoinGecko. That's huge gap, bro. That's a huge gap. CoinGecko has the wrong market cap versus supply. Does it really? Circulating supply says 1.722. Circulating supply 1.7. Wow, Coin market cap says 1.25 billion circulating. And CoinGecko says 1.7. 1.2 versus 1. Dude, that is huge. That is an absolute astronomical. I don't know which one's right. I don't know how to tell. Do you know how to tell, Pepe? Vision Pulse, Bat Boy. You tell me. You tell me which one's better. Meme Core sounds better. It does. No, wait. Core Meme sounds better. No, I like Core Meme. CoinGecko has it wrong. How do you know it's wrong? Because you're saying CoinGecko has the wrong market cap versus supply. Well, what's the correct one? How do you know? How do you know it's wrong? I mean, seriously, this is an interesting question. I mean, how many other things does this have wrong? Because if I will probably know, I might not ever use CMC again if it is wrong by that much, because that's a huge gap in data. I mean, that's pretty wild. I just don't know how to tell. I don't know how to tell, man. Well, going off crypto bubbles, says I got you beat, Pepe. Actually, we should take a look at Pepe. Let's take a look at Pepe on CMC. Let's see here. Share this instead. We're gonna go to search. We'll type in Pepe. I want to compare the two. Pepe, the meme coin. Pepe. Wow, why does it not pull up Pepe? Well, where the heck is Pepe? Oh, here it is. Why did it not pull up the first one? That's so dumb. It pulls up in the third one. You know, it's like way larger than the other two. That is wild. Favoritism. So Pepe shows max. Everything's out in the open. There's no circulating. So then we go. Market cap's 2.48 billion. Let's head to meme core. Meme core. Close this out. Type in Pepe. Market cap 2.49 versus CMC, which is 2.48. No, it's just meme core. It's just meme core that they have wrong. So they don't know how to track it, I guess. What's up, Giga? How you doing, man? Mr. GIG TV. Welcome in, brother. We should take a look at Bear for you, right? And maybe some Pulse Chain. I have a crazy time trying to look those two up. They are so not favored in the space. I don't know why it's such a difficult thing to pull up on TradingView. Like I don't understand. Like, do they not have a working thing? Like this doesn't make any sense to me. Dude, Bear's been crushing it, dude. I've been seeing it in the top gainers, top losers, top gainers. There's a lot of volume going right now on Bear. GIG, do you know why the CoinGecko versus Coin Market Cap is 500 million off on volume on Core Meme? And how do you tell which one has the correct information? It's something I'm not 100% sure, to be honest with you, and how to look that up. But I would love to get better at it. Where are we going? So on CMC, Pepe's let's say 2.5. So what was Core Meme on here? Meme Core. Or the Core Meme? Stupid thing is so confusing to me. Market cap. This still says it has. Oh, that's CoinGecko. I forgot. I need to go to CMC. Wow, this is showing a 2.2 billion. Wow, that's way off. That is crazy off. On CoinGecko, it's showing a 3 billion market cap, and CoinMeme is only a 2.2. That's $800 million difference. That's effing wild. Well, we're gonna jump over the charts. We'll see if we can pull up some Bear. Take a look at Bear. Bear. Just for donkey donk, man. Bear USD. Swing on in. Swing on in. I like how I broke above the 200. That's bullish to me. Momentum's coming down, but money flow is coming in. So it's saying, F you, we're not falling down. The 21's snapping up. That's a good sign. Excuse me. Look at that. Bear flag. JG, how you doing, brother? How you doing, man? How was your New Year's? Good to see you too, man. It's been a minute, dude. You Mr. OG. The first subscriber we've ever had is in here, guys. Shout out to JG. Got us rocking and rolling, man. We're doing great, dude. I freaking had a Polygon call on Wednesday, I believe it was, and we called 19 cents. We called like 18.44 or something like that, and it's right at that level, man. I was like, frick yeah, dude, we crushed it on that trade. Bear, man. Even though momentum's coming down, I still am feeling a little bullish on the 1 hour. 4 hours still looks like it could have more to go. We got to really watch the curvature right here. Money flow was coming in, then we had a quick reversal. Another quick reversal of the V-shaped recovery. We're getting above the 21, which this looks like it was really scary, but really it shot up, man, from 15 cents to 24 cents. It just gave a little bit back rejection. Actually, it didn't quite. I guess it did close like 2-3 candles below the 250, then shot right back up. Denied it. Green dot momentum. Money flow is still looking good too on the 4 hour. The 12 hour, we have a green dot. I actually like this green dot right here. I think we could keep pumping up on Bear, especially because that sharp rejection, dude. On the 12 hour, you see that rejection, dude, off the 250, 21. There's a strong rejection zone. Yes, let's get after Bear on the move, man. Bear's on the move. Let's take a look at the larger time frames. We have a massive price target. Oh, that was supposed to be a trigger wave. Ooh, nasty. But if that 12 hour coming in strong like that, dude, this could be a full on reversal. We got to get a higher high on Bear. I'd like to see it get above, let's say 25 cents. It's 27 cents. We get that, dude. We'll keep going probably the 200. It's been cool. Not many parties. Very chill and simple, dude. Sometimes that's all you need. Just chill and simple. You've been trading at all? I haven't seen you in here in a minute, man. It's been like probably like 3 months. I was just talking to Trent about you because we were missing you. That's not bear. It says B for bear, right? It shows the little bear logo. That's definitely bear. Unless you know a different bear than I do. B for bear. Or am I thinking of something else? I'm pretty sure that's a bear. Maybe it's H. Is it H? B USDT. Oh, I'm treating this like a Boldan. Oh, you're right. I'm looking at Boldan. You're right. What am I doing? I'm trying to look at something way different. Freaking bear. Is bear H? I remember it being something ridiculous. Does bear start with H? This is bear. No, this is humanity. What the hell is bear? Why am I seeing it in my head, but I can't find it? I know I've seen bear. What? What's the ticker, bro? Dex screen. Yeah, I know, but I swear it was on. I swear it was on TradingView at some point. I remember using Dex screen, and I thought, oh, I don't have to use it anymore. Really? Did you get into white whale? We called white whale on the channel, and it was like $1 million market cap. Maybe it was like 10 million. Testicle. Where's the search bar? Man, I don't use that screener enough. Search. Was it teddy bear? Rat pulse. Oh, dude, I swear I was looking at bear before. Is this me, man? No, am I on the right one? Gotta click pulse chain on the side. Well, this looks like it says pulse chain. WPLS. What side are you looking at? Where do I click it at? Oh, pulse chain. There you go. All right, cool. I did find the right one. Dude, bear has been hot, dude. I swear. Dude, I was looking at teddy bear. Teddy bear. I'm going to come over to TradingView real quick just to see if I can find it. I swear, man. I'm going crazy. Yeah, there is one on here. It's wrapped. Where'd it go? Oh, there it is. It's wrapped. Oh, that's Dow. Pulse chain X. This says 0.33. Dude, I can't math it because it's in Pulse token. But I did find it. See over here, bear, rat, pulse chain. So this is definitely it. I just can't do the conversion in my head. Pulse wrapped on pulse chain. So it's pulse wrapped. But this is definitely it. For shizzle. So I don't need Dex Screener. I have it right here. I have it saved now. You just have to do the conversion, or I can look at the math. Let's pull it up. T for Teddy. Teddy Roosevelt. Boom. Oh. Cracked my neck. That felt good, man. All right. Close out Dex Screener. Go on a darker screen so it's not so blinding in my head. Twist hat so it's not so crooked because it looks crooked to me. Man, that's been a beast, dude. As soon as it broke above the 200, look at that, dude. Freaking broke above the 200, and it's been on a fly, bro. Straight flywheel. Money flow, might have peaked. A little curvature to the downside. We had a green dot for a pump right there. We did get a pump with a sharp decline, or a decline by denial, almost like a lower high. It should have been a higher high. Maybe a little bit of manipulation. Money flow is still so thick on the 4 hour. It could keep pumping. We have momentum trying to push us down. We want to kind of meet the 21 white line right here around probably this zone. VWAP is very flat. Looks like it could keep going. Yeah, buddy. Let's get it, man. Bear on the 12-hour, dude. It's been ripping too, dude. Just like Polygon. We have anchor trigger wave, green dot, fire. It says fire away. When you were taking that shot, dude. Oh man, I wish I took that shot. Oof. 21's ripping through the, or you about to rip through the 50. And 12 hours, Stokes or RSI still show more to go. Strength's high. Money flow hasn't quite ticked up yet. VWAP is coming down, so it looks like it wants to get a little bit pushed down before it can continue up. The 1 day still shows momentum, but I'm hesitant to not. We might get something like this where it had an open momentum. We came up and then we had a red dot. So like if you look at it right here, you have the open blue part line. Let me circle it so you guys can see. So we got like the little open door right here where it looks like it could keep going. Maybe go look at the candles over here, and it didn't quite keep going. The open doors, a little bit denial. So that's what I'm kind of looking at right here. I just want to make sure we are not going to come down. Maybe we end up coming down, create a cup and handle, and then we can come up farther to this next area of resistance right over here. Matches this line right here on Teddy. We actually could come up a little higher to this 100 right here, or this 200. 200 would be the sweet spot, 91, whatever it is, 91 cents, I think it is. 100 billion market cap. Yeah, that looks like it. 100 billion market cap. What are you saying? Bear to 100 billion market cap? What was its market cap? Because you know more about this coin to me. Did Bear come out last cycle? And what was its all-time high? Because I don't think this is going to give me enough data to go back that far. What is Bear's all-time high? Bear's all-time high is, it's kind of tricky to tell because you got to count the zeros. So right now we're at 8 zeros. So if we come up, we go to 6 zeros. That's something 100x. It came out. That's 2 zeros, 2 decimal places. It came out in December 2023 when Pulse Chain came out. Dude, it came out in 2023. Oh my gosh, that's crazy. Like, I remember the day Pulse Chain launched, and I wish I bought a whole bunch of it, but I didn't. But I wish I did now. No, that being said, I could swing some, buy some, and I might just go buy some. The weekly, we got a green dot on the weekly. It looks like a reversal coming on in. This looks like a fake out. Green dot shows a momentum. 2 week looks good, dude. Bear's about a effing roar, bro. It looks like it's about a roar on Market Cipher, dude. You have a green dot on the weekly and the 2 week time frame on Market Cipher. Can you see these green dots? I don't know how to make them grow. I've really been trying to figure that out so you guys could see them a little better. Maybe I should throw up the stream on my phone, see if I can see it. Give me a second. Those green dots look so damn tiny on my end. I need to make them bigger so you guys can see it. As I make the screen bigger, the green dots just shrink. I gotta figure that out. That's my project for tomorrow. But we do have a double green dot on the weekly. No, not weekly, but we have a green dot on the weekly and the 2 week time frame. What's the monthly look like? The monthly doesn't have enough data. Three-day looks good too on Bear. Looks like it's just about to stop pumping. 5-day looks good. 2 days still playing out. Look at the money flow. It's the red wave on the bottom. Look at it. It's flowing in. Money's coming into Bear. Money's coming into Bear hard on the day, dude. Bear is in the middle of a run, bro. This falling wedge that we have going right here, this is creating its round and bottom, and we're coming up, dude. We're coming up hard on Bear on a larger time scale, like freakishly hard. It came out. It's an all-time high. Was around 120 million. When you need to get to phase 3 on Bear, check the website. Oh, cool, man. I'm gonna check it out, dude. Dude, yeah, I'm bullish on Bear, like hardcore bullish on Bear. This looks nice, dude. This looks really nice. Like, there's a minimum next probably couple weeks. It's gonna be a 10x probably. I can't say it's the future. Anything could happen. You know, we can put a ban on tariffs on Wednesday, and the whole market's down 50%. You know, everything goes how it should. You could probably get that. Crypto Mon, pump BTC, dude. What is BTC doing? I don't know if we're taking a look at that yet today. I was so excited, dude. You see my call on Polygon, dude. I'm so like crushed it on that, dude. Crushed it. Loving it. Oh, let's back play this, man. We got the 2 week tomorrow. No, we got way week for 2 week. Weekly still says strength coming in. You know, okay, so you guys know my feelings for Bitcoin. I think that we're in a longer term downtrend, but I think we have a pump coming in. And I was watching Crypto Face and Gareth Soloway's channel yesterday. Go check it out if you don't believe me. And they both think that there was a short term rally coming for Bitcoin, followed by a longer term dump action. They were predicting like the 60s. And I don't know. I don't know. I mean, I go off of this zone right here. This CryptoFish calls it ching chong, whatever he calls it. So I think we could land anywhere between 55 and 69. So there's a range right there where we could do the crazy wicks, you know. It kind of also depends when we start falling where the 200 moving day averages. So if we come to the 200, reject off, that's about 56,957. That could be a wick that could only last a day or two. But it's just something that you guys have to be aware of, that they were feeling that. And before I saw that video, you guys have been watching me talk about Bitcoin on the longer time scale on the monthly. The monthly does not look good. Monthly is coming hard. Rejection off the 21 2 3 times. Momentum's coming down. Money flow's coming down. UP is showing a sign that there is a move coming. String Stokes are also kind of showing that. And we come to the 3 month. This is where it makes me to my stomach to look at. The 3 month, we got hard bearish divergence. Okay. And I'm showing you guys this not because I'm long-term bearish, but I want you guys to be able to make money in this market. We have red dot on momentum. We got bearish divergence, VWAP coming down. Now, it's not obviously there's a 3 month candle, so that's hard to say, but this does show that we could be entering a bear market, which this is the year we normally do it, and we bottom out statistically at the midterms. Dude, bear 100x's, man, I am going to be excited. I'm going to buy some bear, and I'm going to ride this 100x with you, 1000x with you. It's going to be great. Yes, all my best analytic guys are saying we pump a bit soon. Cardano on the same right now. Let's take a look at Cardano. Actually, I guess it's just Bitcoin. So short term, bullish. I think we're in the middle of definitely a pump. I'm watching this. I think actually we'll come up to, we could come up to 97,000, which we've been saying for like quite some time, which you didn't know this, JG. And then I said last week we could come up to the 50, which would still be a lower high, which is around 105. I've seen Lifer. He said that if we come up and hold 100,000, we could make higher. The whole bear market goes out the window. I'm not in that ball camp, and he may or may not be too by that time. I mean, I saw it today. He's like, "Oh, 60K is the next move." I don't think that's true. I think we're gonna go higher before we go lower. But I appreciate his TA because his TA is good. I do like him. Oh yeah, Cardano. Where's Cardano at? Guys, if you haven't already, we got several people watching. Please smash that like, hit that subscribe, help boost the channel and the algorithm. It's something that you can't do yourself. You have to ask people to do, and I appreciate you guys. It's not the most it's the very humbling to ask, I guess. Shout out to subscribers 682. Thank you for coming on in. We're zooming in on BTC. We use high kind of sheet candles on here, or at least I do. These are regular candles. High kind of sheet kind of gives it a better tone. I just feel like it's a little bit more smoother. The data is more precise with regular candles, but I like the flow. It's easier for me to identify the flow patterns on high kind of sheet, and that's what it was designed for. Market cipher. Yeah, guys, we gotta get the likes up to the watches. We did that yesterday, and yesterday was a slow day. Yes, it was a slow day. We kind of have a triple bottom kind of going on right now in BTC. You'd kind of want to watch it because this is such a strong level of support being at triple bottom. We fell through the 21, so it could be a sign that this is it. Because we fell through 21 previously up over here, rejection right here. We've been kind of trading it. Last time we fell through the 21 up over here, it was a hard rejection. You know, just kind of kept coming down, bounced off it, fell through it. Actually, I guess that fell through. It wasn't too bad. Open doors to the downside though. Market cipher. The 4 hour shows it wants to continue pumping. We're at the 200 right now, which is a strong level of support. I don't know if we'll fall through. We're kind of getting like a little bit head and shoulder like pattern right here. Another thing that could come under the 4 hour is we could also come. I swear I clicked the paint bed. We could go like this, come up and create a cat ear pattern with this cat ear right here, and you get the lower high too. Is weekend low volatility. We got the lower high, not a great sign. Then the lower high. We're not making, this is a lower low compared to that one. I'm kind of have to watch these candles right here. The money flow is kind of ticking up, which is suggesting that we are more in a pump. 12 hour is still coming down on the momentum. Money flow is kind of plateau. It's not saying it's going down or hard. It's kind of like an evenish area. Now we could get a little tight trigger wave right here, get a green dot. We get that move that we've been looking for. Also, we have a strong cup and handle coming in right here. You have the inverted head and shoulder pattern. It goes to the upside, which also gave us the cup with the handle. We could bounce off the 21 right here, or we could also bounce off the 50 right here and continue that upward leg, which that leg on this cup and handle can take us to. It plays out in this time zone. We could see, well, I'm looking at ADA, 47 cents. I thought I was looking at Bitcoin for a second there. I'm lowering it down too. I also see a lower high, guys. Look at this. We got the lower high. We could respect this trend too. If we're respecting this trend, trend's our friend, we see a price target of 41.50, which is a 3-cent gain. Maybe that plays out with a Bitcoin as it starts moving on the smaller time frames. The daily still shows a red dot momentum to the downside. Not super bullish on the daily. Lower high. We don't want to create a lower low. So if we come down for lows even at 36, we're okay. We're still, that just means that we're winding tight. It means we're going like this. Boom. So that would just buy us more time for when Bitcoin launches up to its 97,000. That's what it's telling you. When money flow is have stronger curvature to the downside, the likelihood that we will get a pump down is likely. We have not confirmed a red dot, so I'm shooting out a little bit of ways, but I think that we can get that if we fall through the 21 on the 2-day. Let's check out the 3-day. 3-day, we got a little bit of red dot. Rejection off the 21, 1, 2 times. The 5-day. 5-day shows curvature still. We're still looking good. We also have the play out of a possible smaller head and shoulder on the 5-day time frame. You got one shoulder, you come down, create the head. We could pump up, come back down, create that other head and shoulder pattern, or inverted head and shoulder, sorry, pardon me, which could give us a move up to, if this plays out, up to the 21 at 51 cents. Now, you guys know I love Cardano. I'm a huge Cardano guy, but it's just something that we have to be aware of. GJ. I said your name wrong. No, I didn't. JG. I did say it wrong. How do you feel about night? Are you a big night guy? Oh. You holding that night? Hey, nice. We got another light coming in. Wonderful. Coming in to the 5-day. The 5-day looks pretty bearish on night, to be honest with you. I mean, on its launch, just crazy high. It looks like as the tokens thaw, I think Trent was calling it yesterday, or unlocks, people do plan on dumping it, maybe to the 3 cent level. Night looks negative. 2-day looks negative. We're down to the 21. Daily still looks like it could go a little lower. We get a little bit of curvature though with the VWAP. Money flow has been coming down, has been leaving. We do have a doji candle. The short-term pump action is on the horizon for at night, probably up to. Just turned off my little flip tape. Ah. Dang you socks. Good enough, I guess. What's I bet coming back in to say hi. Maybe the short-term pump to 8.2. Who invests into Pulse Train? Richard Hart is a big fraud, he says. Is Richard Hart a fraud? How did he fraud people? Pulse Chain. I mean, Vision Pulse. Tell me. I'm curious. If he really did, I would like to hear your thing. Some people say he did. Some people say he didn't. You say 10,000%? Really? Fill me in. Brother, come on. I don't know. I've never bought X. Never been a thing. Fill me in, man. I used to work for Ben. Bitboy Crypto. I was unbiased. His name is Vision Pulsed, and he is a hater on Pulse Chain. LOL. No. GIG TV. That is not Vision Pulse. That is you think that is actually Pepe in the chat. He changed his name to troll, but we caught on to him. Okay, let's see, dude. Was broken before Pulse, and now he's a millionaire. He was well, so was Vitalik. Vitalik was. I think most people were. Who's that? F is Pepe, LOL. He was so funny, man. He was such a funny guy. Wrong. You don't think Vitalik was broke? Broke Russian kid? Oh, I'm gonna send Trent a link. He may or may not come though, because he wasn't feeling good. So I'm sending Trent the link. Where's the party invite? Invite to stage. Invite guest. Copy this. There we go. Wait, Vitalik had money before crypto? Did you know? Oh, we should find this out. Google. We're in Google, guys. How much was Vitalik? How do you spell Vitalik? Yeah, I did that right. Vitalik worth before creating Ethereum. It didn't tell me. Vitalik Buterin net worth how before Ethereum. Does anybody know his net worth before? Google doesn't seem to know. So as of right now, all I know is I'm taking your word for it, which isn't the most reliable word. You're so funny. If you don't know how to spell it, well, how do you spell it? I'll look it up. Go ahead. Spell Vitalik Buterin. Go ahead. Nah, bro. No. What's Squid at? Squidders. THQ. We were talking about THQ earlier. We said 4442 was the bottom. Let's take a look. Before we started pumping again. There was those strong wicks on the 30-minute. Hit 4.2. We did hit 4.2. Boom, baby. Nailed that son of a gun, too. Ink and trigger wave coming on in. I might put a long in on THQ. Possible reversal coming on in from that nasty downtrend. This could be a good time to long it. 12 hour also getting a little bit of curvature. You kind of have to front run it a little bit, but you might be able to get it. Well, yeah, it's easy when you freaking look it up. I spelled Vitalik right, so I'm pretty happy about that. Now how do we go THQ? Whoa, look at that candle on the 12 hour. Holy smokes. Look at the money flow too on the 4 hour. Money flow is coming in. Stokes are good. VWAP's kind of like, it's iffy because it's the 50 MA. Came down a little bit. Money flow is still thick though. This could be a good time to get in on this entry. Where are we at close to that 200? We get denied off the 200. It looks good. Field gold coming in for Sub Squid. Sub Squid, like one of the most manipulated coins in the market. Can we make money on it? Yes, we can. Money flow still okay. View up still kind of going. It wants to go lower. It could go lower, a little lower. We have a lower high. What's the 5 minute saying? The 5 minute says we're pumping. We're pumping. We fell below the 50 with 21. So close right there. We just had to get above it. Game on. 1 minute says we can do it. Yes, 1 minute. Keep that strength up. Punch through that 200. You can do it. Come on. You think you guys want to punch through it? Are we going to do it? We need some support. Well, that was a 1 minute close. But it's lagging, man. It's lagging on TradingView on the computer for some reason. How close are we to the close? With the daily close, we're at 15 minutes. Well, I could probably hold on for another 15 minutes before we have to end the stream. Oh, we just wait for that 1 minute to come on in. Curvature on the 21 is kind of nice too on the 1 minute. Rounded bottom, possible cup and handle. Cup and handle plays out. It should keep going. Rejection two times off the 200, not the most bullish sign as I've seen. We got a red dot. It's struggling. We'll have to wait and see. So yeah, solo. Oh, we're gonna look at XRP. Oh, here comes Trent. He's getting on now. Trent Anator coming on into XRP. Dude, I thought you said XRP was below $2. You freaking little fart knocker. You just punked me, man. Even if it was below $2, I wouldn't bother me. Let's take a look at it on the 3 month time frame. 3 months also has a big fat red freaking dot. We almost don't even have enough data, man. Don't even have enough data. $8 is on the table for XRP. 2 weeks, we are getting a little bit of a pump, man. It could come up to 272. It could be very interesting. Oh, here's Trent. Hey, Trent.
Hey, what's going on?
Nothing, man. We have Vision Pulse Fat Boy in here being a troll. You missed JG. He came on. I don't know if he's still here or not.
Oh, really?
Yeah, JG decided to come online, and it's been like a couple months, I think, since we've had him on.
Oh yeah, I see him. Hey, whoever's on, is it okay if I ask what they think about the idea I had earlier?
Yeah, you can ask, but
Okay.
we were down to a few less watchers.
Oh, that's fine. Guys, drop a +1 in the chat if you think it's a good idea for content if we prank call crypto scammers. Like the ones that like shoot you a text pretending to be Coinbase, trying to get you to send them like the 2FA code or whatever. Well, it says like call this number if you didn't start this transaction, because they want to get you on the phone and get you to give them that code. And if we prank call the scammers and like drag them along a little bit, I think it's a brilliant idea. But
I think that sounds pretty fun to me too.
yeah.
And also, we'll make fantastic short videos for uploading too. You can
Yeah.
really check them out.
Exactly.
We have JG, and he says, "Hi, good to see you, Trent."
Hey, what's up, JG? Long time no see.
This is probably Trent's one of his better days. He sounds pretty good today. He's had like his gnarly bronchitis
Yeah.
the last couple of days.
Yeah, for real.
Is that your garage, Trent? How warm is it in San Diego?
San Diego. I don't live in San Diego.
I didn't say you lived there. I was just asking how warm it was.
Well, right now where I'm at, it's 55 degrees.
Oh, that's beautiful. Nice and crispy.
Yeah. Let's
Really?
see.
It's 55 degrees where you're at? That's it?
Yeah. In San Diego, it's 65.
Oh, that's a little warmer. I would figure the desert's cold. You know what? It's 45 where I'm at.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Did you see that Hawaii got hit with like 12 inches of snow, or like up to 2 feet in some areas?
No.
Yeah, they're
That's
like,
crazy.
I don't even know what to do with all this snow.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, it's gonna be so cold next week. Nice. Whenever there's no clouds in the sky, Trent, it's like that's like the insulation for the heat. When you got clear skies in the morning, you're like, it's freezing.
Yeah. You guys see my flat tire?
No. How'd you get a flat tire?
I don't know. I never drive this thing either. It's a Kia Sorento. But I should just sell it. Is what I should do.
You should. How much would you sell it for?
Man, I don't know. It's got 170,000 miles.
You
know,
try
my
to
truck.
Blue Book things before you sell it?
Yeah, but I mean, honestly, I've sold a couple cars over the years, and a couple used cars, very used cars. And I tend to just put the price way under the way underneath the value, and just get a buyer right away.
Yeah.
So I don't have to deal with it.
Yeah. Yeah.
But Kelly Blue Book would say this thing is like $7,000, but I don't think it's worth that much. I mean, it's 170,000 miles on it. The suspension sounds horrible when you drive it. It's like, I don't know. But
Really?
yeah. I mean, it's you can
what,
hear.
You say 2007?
No, it's 2017. Yeah. But
Damn, bro. 2017 at 170. Did you buy it used?
bought it used with 30,000 miles on it.
You put 140,000 miles on it in like 9 years or ish?
Yeah.
Dude, you drove the shit out of that car.
Dude, my truck already has 60,000 on it, and I got it with 20,000 miles on it.
My
And
gosh,
that
man.
was, dude, that I just got that truck in March of 2024.
Wow. And that's a truck. Your truck's a Toyota, right?
Yeah.
You could drive the crap out of that though. That sucker will last forever.
Yeah.
Wait, how do you get so many miles on your vehicles?
I don't know. I put 40,000 miles on that truck in slightly under 2 years.
That's pretty impressive. I thought I drove a lot too. Like with my Challenger, I bought it with 8,000 miles on it in 2014, and
Yeah.
it has about 100. I think it has like 130,000 on it.
Yeah.
I feel like that was a lot, and I haven't driven it in 2 years since we've had our youngest, because the fact that I had to go buy another vehicle because we have too many people now. So
Yeah.
I took it off the insurance for a little bit. Well, it's just kind of sitting there. And I'm
Right.
raking up the miles on my little Honda Civic, which does really well.
Yeah.
JG says, hi, good to see you, Trent. Hey. He. It would be fun to troll scammers. The risk is you piss off some nasty people and attacks ramp up a lot. I would say maybe have fun a bit with it, but don't make it a staple.
Yeah. I can see that.
You know, the interesting though about it, attacks on crypto people.
I mean, little do they know, though. I mean, the people I would be going after, the Coinbase scammers that text me, but little do they know, I don't even have anything in Coinbase anymore. I only use it for like
Me too.
yeah, I only use it to off ramp real quick,
Well, it's really interesting too about
and on ramp, I suppose. But
a sad story about scammers. It's really interesting to me because like it feels like every generation has like the old timers that now come and they get scammed out of something or other. I was talking to a friend of mine, and he was like, "Oh, my friend just bought a crypto." I'm like, "Really?" He goes, "Yeah, he invested with this firm and they invest for him." I'm like, "Oh, that sounds shady." I'm all like, what did he buy? And he goes, "He bought X, Y, and Z coin." I'm like, I've never heard of that. I'm going to CMC and I look it up, and I'm like, dude, this coin does not exist. And if it does, it's like a micro cap, like 500K.
Yeah.
I'm like, this already sounds shady to me.
yeah,
And I said, what's this guy's firm called? He goes, and he sends me the link. This is the name of it. And I'm like, okay, well, that sounds fishy. He goes, yeah, well, I bought. He's like, he says he started using them because they bought Bitcoin in 2013 and they invest for people. And I'm like, okay, that also sounds shady.
yeah,
And I look up this company and it says there are scams and that they do really good trading your money until you try to pull it out.
Oh, you know what? Find their number too.
Right?
We'll call them.
Well, and I was talking to him. I was like, "How did this guy? How did he get a hold of him?" Right?
Yeah.
And he told me that they reached out to him on Telegram.
Oh yeah.
And I was like, bro. I was
Yeah.
like, is that old timers? Am I going to be that guy too? Why I fall for these old time scams? You know what I mean? Like, that's such a black and white scam. Like, dude, I felt so bad. He lost $25,000 to him.
Yeah. Dang.
You drinking a beer right now outside working?
No, I'm not.
When are you gonna bust one out?
I mean,
Show us your collection.
it's thin right now. Let's see here. I've got a couple of monkish triple IPAs left. Couple more monkish triple IPAs. Got these from North Park.
You ever have beers that you're like so good, like I'm only gonna say this for a special occasion, and then you never end up drinking on a special occasion, and they just sit there?
Yeah, all of these stouts.
Really?
Yeah.
All special occasion ones? Well, that's a lot of stouts. What's your most favorite stout you have in there?
This one right here.
Have you had it before?
Oh yeah.
What is that one?
Enchiridion. It is a blend of single, double, and triple bourbon barrel aged stouts. So it's basically they take the same brew, the same recipe for the stout. They age one in in like 3 different bourbon barrels, and then they mix them all.
Nice.
Yeah.
That sounds really good. Where'd you buy it at?
Pure Project Brewing Company in sunny San Diego. One that I am excited to try, and I haven't tried it, is Log Cabin from Pure Project. It's this beauty right here, and
Ooh, that looks good.
It is a double bourbon barrel aged imperial stout with maple syrup and coffee.
Maple syrup and coffee? And you've never tried this one? How many? Do you only have one?
Yeah, and
oh gosh,
the ABV on this is 15.7%.
Oh my god!
Yeah, I picked this one up last year at Pure Project's anniversary, which I'm gonna go to again in a few weeks in San Diego, and it's in January.
Take a vote in the. We have a poll up right now. We want your vote.
Yes, sir. It's in January every year, and they
January. It happens right now.
Yeah, end of the month.
Are you gonna go again?
Yeah.
Can I send you some money to buy me one?
I'll get you something.
Okay.
And then they've got what do I do? Oh yeah, they what they do is that they bring at the anniversary, they bring bottles out of their cellar that otherwise you would have to be a VIP member of the brewery in order to buy those bottles. And the yearly memberships start at like $300 a year.
You have
but no, because the reason why, if you go to the anniversary, which the ticket costs like $49, if you go to the anniversary, you're gonna get some seller picks. You won't necessarily get it's random. You won't necessarily get everything that the membership people have access to, but you're going to get a random selection of stuff that was only VIP. So if you just go to the anniversary in person, you still kind of, it's still kind of good enough, you know?
Yeah, just stock up.
Yeah.
You're like, I'll take 4 of everything.
You know, but the cool thing about the membership, though, if you do get the membership, you get like 12 bottles with the membership. So,
That's
yeah.
dope.
And then,
can you buy a membership without being there in person or no?
yeah, but you can't, but you have to pick up your bottles in person.
So if I buy a membership, can you pick up my bottles?
Yeah. Yeah.
It's not bad.
Right. So, you know, so they give you like 12 bottles. I think it's like 6 bottles for the $300 membership, 12 bottles for the $600 membership. But then you get access to bottles throughout the year that they only put out for VIP. And then basically what happens is any of the overflow from that ends up available at the anniversary event. That's why I say if you just go to the anniversary, then you at least get something good.
Well, it's sick, man.
Yeah.
It makes me want to go to that. Too bad you guys only about 17 hours and 46 minutes away without traffic.
That sounds like nothing after what we just did.
Right? I bet.
Yeah.
That's like, because you guys did 33, that's like twice as far.
Yeah.
Hey, do you ever have those 100-mile stretches where there's no turns whatsoever and you just drive and you're just like, man, this is boring as frick.
Yeah. Yeah.
And you like, you only keep who drove through the night? Did you or Molly?
I did.
You did?
Yeah.
Did you sleep in the car?
Well,
Oh my gosh, we have an old school sub in here.
who's that?
Sean Peters.
Oh, hey, what's up?
What's up, Sean? I almost pitched you a subscriber membership again just because I haven't seen you in so long. How you doing, brother? Hey, hit up that poll in the chat. We want to know if Trent got a 2FA scammer over there on his cell phone for a Coinbase. And we were thinking about calling him up and recording our conversations with him and just giving him a ringer, man. Just give him an absolute blunderbuss of a prank. We should have everybody send us their scammers and just
Yes.
Discord, and we can hit them all up, man. If you get scammed
Yeah.
and you don't like that person bothering you, send us in the Discord and we'll hit them up for you. We'll tell them to go pound sand, but we'll do it in our own unique, irritating way.
Yeah. Well, hey, my phone just dropped to 1%, so
Shiza.
log
You didn't
off.
charge it? I told you charge it.
I know you did.
Oh, man.
All right,
Really? All right, brother. You have a good day. Tell Molly we
Cheers.
said hey. GJ's out of here. All right, later, dude.
Okay.
Well, GJ said bye, but same thing. Do what I mean and not what I say. All right, guys. We got the weekly close. Let's cover that Bitcoin and maybe we'll wrap it up. It's Saturday, man. We got to enjoy ourselves. We can't just sit here and stick at the charts all day. We'll go crazy. Bitcoin on the weekly looks good. Did we get the 8-day close? We did like 2 days ago. That was not a good close on the 8-day, but it doesn't mean we're done. We're toasted. 5-day momentum still coming in. I think it's still going to come in too. I definitely am eyeballing the 100K level this next week. 3-day, we're playing around the 21 and the 200 very crazily. Like they're literally like kissing each other. 21 and the 200 are literally inside each other, which sounds weird, but it's true. So technically, even with this red candle, we're above the 21, the 200, which is kind of ironic. We got the 3-day. Oh, that was yesterday. I was like, wait, what? Oh, wait, we have 15 minutes so we get the close? Oh, my gosh. We didn't get the close yet? Oh, so dumb. That is just ridiculous. I might just tell you where the close is going to end up anyways. I got to sit here and look at something else. What do you guys want to look at? JG. What is your top 2 coins? I want to go TA over them. Sean, you too. I want to know your top coins, and let's do some TA on them. Dana Ghazi, what's the outlook on BTC? The outlook on BTC is 97 to 105K level price target by a week or 2 out. And then I think we'll see a dramatic drop to around 60K over the next 3 months. Well, I'll wait for you guys to post in the chat. Let's try to see if we can find something we could short, okay? Because I've been missing some of the coins in here because I used to scroll through with you guys and find something in here. Arbitrum looks like a long. This looks like a long to me. You got double doji candles, 2 doji candles coming in for a trend reversal. It looks like it's gonna keep pumping up. I might long this up to the 200. Moving average, the 4 hour looks like the 1 hour looks. Yeah, this could be a good, man. This could be good. This could be good. You know. Let's go to 12 hour. I'm getting distracted. 12 hour, possible reversal coming in. Polygon's been on fire. We have a price target if it continues of 23.19. Whoa, 23.19. Dude, you know why I've heard 23.19 from? Did you guys ever watch Monsters Inc? And he goes, 23.19. We have a 23.19 with the sock, you know, and that one guy. Numbers, man, they always seem to reappear again. Find Monad interesting more and more, dude. Tell me about Monad. I know it's a layer 1, and I was thinking about reaching out to the team and getting somebody on a show that can explain more what Monad is. I have it saved actually. Mamo Monad. Would you guys be interested if we got somebody on here from Monad to talk about their project? Because I was kind of curious of reaching out to him and just talking to him, be like, why should I buy your layer 1 when I could buy any other layer 1 out there? Sebek protocol, XRP, and render. Okay, cool. Here we go. All right, now we got some bust out some time. Whoa, the money flow is so hella thick on Monad, bro. On the 1 hour, like hella thick. I would be price targeting a little lower, like another cent or 2 lower on the 1 hour. The 4 hour. We have double green dot, red dot. Red dots tend to be a fake out. We had a perfect, beautiful head and shoulder pattern right here. Holy smokes, I played it so well. Yeah, I think 23 cent level is a good level to get an area entry if you want to buy some or trade it. The 200's also at 23.40, which is also a good level. The money flow is really gradually coming down. It's not even hard or slow. We also are getting lower highs coming on in and higher lows, which is also really, I want to say bullish, but it also makes me a little bit scared where we might come up and get that lower high, and then we know it's donezo. The daily, the money flow is still pumping up. We rejected off the daily the last 3 days off the 21. There's a short-term pump though coming on the 15-minute. Double green dot, I would long it. Absolutely. You know what? I'm gonna put a long in right here, right now. Give me my phone because this is where I trade off. If I don't use my line. I'm gonna get the 5 minute. 5 minutes pumping. Well, yeah, we're good. I'm gonna put a long in right now on Monad if it's on BidFi. Give me a second. I don't know if it's on. It is on BidFi, guys. We're gonna do isolated trade because you don't do cross because it digs into the rest of your bag. I generally don't use 10x leverage, but I'm feeling pretty confident. I like to set the 5. We're gonna enter a long in at right here, 10x leverage. Boom. My cost of entry is costing me 6 cents, guys, and fees. Boom. Buy long. Long entry in. Right on. I'm up half a percent. Very volatile. Right here. I'm gonna come over to the 1 minute. We'll see. Technically, I'm long in green on the 5 minute, but I think the 15 minutes gonna play out. We're gonna do it, man. Look at the 1 minute. 1 minute does have a red dot. Oh no, red dot might come down to the 21. Money flows coming. I'm up 2% on my trade. That's right, baby. We're long in Monad on the 15 minute. Area entry in. It's not a crazy long, guys. Just so you know, it's only I only did a $10 long. Okay, on 10x leverage, just so everybody knows. But hey, you know, low risk, no emotional attached to it. It looks good. It looks good in the 15 minute. I did not set take profits. Maybe I should have. I don't know much. LOL. I thought it was a Chinese Ethereum EVM thing. I have no idea. I have no idea what it is. I just know it's a layer 1. So it could be good to reach out to Monad. Yeah, it's a layer 1. New layer 1. Very new. So it seems like people might want us to reach out to him. The 15 minute on Sebek shows double green dot for a possible long entry as well. We are rejecting off the 21 right there, so we just got to keep that in mind. The 1 hour had a very nasty wick, and a lot of it came back up. There was a pump. You two, you're not supposed to be in here. What are you two doing? Oh my goodness. Guys, where's your mommy? Oh, here's your mommy. Your mommy's coming. You guys touching the screen, both of you? Oh, there goes one child. Again, they're got their arms around. What are you doing, Zee? Hi, Zee. Love you, buddy. I thought you were napping. Momentum to the downside. Currently on Zebek. 4 hour money flow start curvature to the downside as well. Interesting. We kind of had a head and shoulders pattern. Didn't quite play out. You got your little left shoulder right there. There's your head. There's your right shoulder. We thought we maybe go up. That candle really made you think it was going to go up, and we gave it all back, bro. We gave it all back on the 4 hour. Even on the 12 hour, you could have made the argument that was a cup and handle. That really made you think it was coming up, man. Breaking through that 200 rejection off of. We have a momentum coming to the downside. Money flow has been gradually coming in, so I don't think this is going to be a steep pull down. I mean, maybe we'll see 28.51 on the 12 hour or Zebek. So if you want to buy more, you might get the opportunity before it pumps. Daily looking pretty good too. Daily also kind of got that little cup and handle kind of going on Zebek protocol. The longer time frame, we have a bullish engulfing candle and a double green dot. Price target by next week is 0035 is your price target for Zebek protocol. Let's take a look at Render. Render, guys. How many out there? Do you hold Render right now, or do you want to buy some, Sean? Trent is super bullish on Render. So currently we're on the weekly bullish momentum screaming in. VWAP, Stokes, R-side strength coming up. We're at the 21. We could totally continue. We could easily hit $3.36 by next week. Double green dot on the 2 week as well. And this looks like it has bottomed. Now, when I say it's bottomed, I'm still bearish on like Bitcoin, right? In the longer term time frame, we say 97 to 105. You use your pump. Longer term, boom, we come back down to like 60, whatever cents it is. We're shrinking into a more macro. Let's go to the 12 hour. 12 hour momentum has been coming down, but money flow is coming in, which shows that this is actually probably a reversal. Especially when I look at the 200, the fact that we rejected 3 times off the 200, pumped up, made a lower high, didn't make a lower low. We're trading green right now, which means that the likelihood this momentum is to flip a green dot with money flow increasing is likely. The 4 hour, we have good money flow. We're above the 21 high. We have a lower high, a slightly higher high lows coming in. Money flow looking good. I think we might get a reversal right here on the 4 hour. The 1 hour hasn't fully bottomed yet. We need a couple more, maybe 1-2 hours, but might get a bottom. It really depends. If this shows more up downward side, then I would say, okay, we're probably gonna see more downward action. Everything that I just said is invalidated, and we have a price target of $2.10. Well, I'd say I take it back. I say $2.16. The 15-minute does look good though, so the likelihood of that 1 hour being invalidated is thin. The fact that we fell below the 200 and didn't crush it, good sign. And we're pumping right now on the 15-minute. You have 1,000 Render. Yes, good for you, Sean. Render is one of our favorite rendering coins that we do processing. So, like I said, dude, weekly, 2 week time frame, we could be looking at $3.36 short term. That's just short term price. 33% gains. And even the 21, it's got its little first look curvature. That's kind of where we're price target is that $3 level here very soon. Very soon. We did Zebek. We didn't. I don't really think we did XRP. I think we got in there and Trent jumped on. Let me swing into XRP again, and then we're just in time to watch the daily close. XRP 2 weekly. We haven't got the double green dot yet. We do have a green dot on the weekly. Momentum's coming in. We literally wicked, guys. We wicked up to the 21 and the 50. Obviously, I would like to see us break it, but we didn't break it yet. So low supply. Is that one of your bigger holdings, Sean? What made you get into Render of all the coins out there? I've never held any. Trent holds a lot of Render too. I've never bought anything that does processing power deep in, but Trent believes in that. I'm not sure if we're quite there yet. XRP on the 3-day, we didn't break. We get rejection off the 50, but now we're getting rejection off the 21. It's trying to consolidating. Daily momentum's been coming down, but money flow has been increasing. 4-hour green, red, green, red, green, red, green, red. Money flow did tick up a little bit. That's a sweet spot right there. $2.15. That is a sweet spot. I kind of like how this is getting tight. If you guys look at this, look at the pattern right here. It's getting super tight. In fact, I don't even want to go off there. I'm going to go off right here. This is tight. Something wants to happen. As you see, it's coiling up. And if this coil up and plays out, dude, we have, I can't even stretch it that high. Bring it like this, like this. Grab it right here. We're gonna pull sideways. We can see $2.22 for XRP this week. If we can get our reversal coming in, it will be slower on the 30-minute time frame, so we can snap out of it. The likelihood of us snapping up to 211, that's generally the 30-minute time frame. We can snap up to 215. That would be good. That's good. XRP has low supply, and GPU rendering is going to be high in demand. XRP has low supply. Believe it or not, it has 100 billion. But if you stretch 100 billion out to all the people, and the fact that the world's being like tied together, you could make the argument it has a low supply. It's not like a trillion supply. And also XRP gets burned on each transaction, so when the whole world's using it, it will get smaller quickly. I know I see that you say not XRP, but I mean Render. I'm just saying that I agree that XRP could be considered that. Now Render, I have no idea what the supply is on Render. Ren and Render. Render has 644 million supply. Let's say half a billion of total supply. Okay, that's not bad. Circulated by 518. Does that mean they have a treasury? Are they burning them? Top wallets. This is probably the treasury wallet. 18%. I don't know who owns 10% of the supply. Somebody owns 10%. You can make the argument this is treasury. Don't know what this is. 5, 3, 3, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, 1. That's a lot. Lots. Top 10 hold 50% of the supply. You can't make the argument these are all the treasuries. These are probably some of the seed wallets. The question is too, how fast are these people going to dump? Because they're sitting on millions, obviously, right? These people are valued at 35 million. Well, they sell like $1 million. That's going to obviously move the supply. Did we get our daily close for our Bitcoin? I think we did. Nice. Swing on over to BTC on the daily. Yes, we just got it 12 seconds ago. All right, data says still kind of wants to go a little lower. I've got the 21,200. VWAP kind of had flat spot, man. Trade sideways action. So boring. The 2-day red dot. We just got a red dot on the 2-day. Says more price action to the downside. So if that's the case, guys, the weekly, it probably means the weekly will be also sideways close tomorrow. I don't think we'll get a red dot. I think what that's saying is Monday, Tuesday, maybe Wednesday, which is the tariff news, we'll get a price action to the downside before we probably liquidate all the liquidations and we move up. I think that's in the cards for us. I just want to say thank you everybody for tuning in. Thank you, Sean. It's good seeing you. JG, good seeing you again too. Daniel Ghazi, thank you for coming on in. Vision Pulse Bad Boy, aka E Pepe. Thank you for coming on in. GIG, thanks for showing us bear. Guys, we're bullish on bear over next week or two, man. There's a lot of money coming into bear. Like I said, we could get a 10x out of that. Crypto Mind, let's get Bitcoin to pump. Thank you for coming on in. Crypto Mind, Base Philosophy Mom, Real Meta Crypto. Thank you for joining us today on a Saturday special. We never know what time we come on in. You got here first, man. He was number one today. He got the like in right off the bat, beat everybody else. Thank you, you. Special shout out to him. Guys, we'll be back tomorrow for the weekly close. Thank you for tuning in. Very, very nice. Have a great night. Enjoy Saturday. Enjoy your weekend. Spend time with your friends and family. Catch you later. Peace. Man, Trent, it was so nice having you in there, dude. The chat was crushing it, dude. It was so nice seeing our homies come back around to us. Man, we have the greatest community out there on the internet, and they're the most hydrated, too. So let's go.